Welcome back to Auto Inside. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping releases of the year, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. Chevrolet has merged the muscle and pedigree of the Corvette with the practicality and boldness of a pickup, creating a machine that's as outrageous as it is functional. This vehicle turns heads instantly. Up front, you've got that signature low-slung Corvette nose with a wide grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and aggressive vents that look ready to devour the road. But walk around the back and it transitions into a short bed pickup truck, something no one saw coming. The bed is made from a carbon composite material for strength and weight savings, and includes modular compartments, power outlets, and a tonneau cover that retracts at the touch of a button. The entire design is wind tunnel tested to balance aerodynamic efficiency with raw street presence. The side profile shows sculpted body lines, low ground clearance, massive 22-inch alloy wheels, and carbon fiber accents along the skirts and fenders. It's low, wide, and athletic, just like any true Corvette should be. Around the rear, the tailgate carries over the Corvette's signature taillight design, and the quad exhaust tips sit wide and proud below the bumper, giving it a supercar aura, even when viewed from behind. This isn't just a pickup truck. It's a rolling statement of American engineering and creativity. Inside, the 2026 Corvette Pickup doesn't cut corners. The driver cockpit wraps around like a fighter jet, with a 15-inch curved digital instrument cluster and an angled infotainment display loaded with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Every surface is covered in premium materials like Napa leather, suede, and carbon fiber. The steering wheel is a squared-off flat-bottom unit, straight out of a race car. Bucket seats come with heating, cooling, memory settings, and even a massage function. Ambient lighting adds drama to the interior, and a 14-speaker Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, even with the pickup design. There's a second row with sport-styled seats that fold down to offer extra cargo space, a feature you won't find in any standard Corvette. Under the hood, Chevrolet isn't holding back. The standard engine is a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 pushing 5 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. There's also a hybrid variant in the works that's expected to make over 600 horsepower, with electric torque boost and a performance-tuned suspension setup. Handling is refined with the inclusion of magnetic ride control, torque vector, and performance brakes that bring this heavy hitter to a stop without drama. Driving modes range from tour and sport to off-road and track, adapting the suspension, steering weight, throttle response, and even the sound of the exhaust. Towing capacity sits at a respectable 6,000 pounds, which means this isn't just a track weapon, it can actually work like a truck. The reinforced unibody construction adds rigidity without sacrificing Corvette-like agility, with a surprisingly efficient fuel economy of up to 24 miles per gallon on the highway in the base V8, and higher for the hybrid trim. It's more versatile than anyone could have expected. Price-wise, the base model is set to start around $78,000, with higher trims and hybrid versions expected to climb above $95,000. It's a premium price, but for what you get, it's breaking barriers in performance and utility. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold reimagining of what American performance can look like. Whether you're a Corvette purist, a truck enthusiast, or just someone who wants something no one else has, this machine is writing a new chapter in automotive history. Thanks for watching Auto Inside.